Welcome to our easy tutorial on creating stunning PowerPoint presentations right from your Apple mobile device. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to use the free mobile app to create your very first presentation. Whether you're a busy professional or a student on the go, this tutorial is designed for you. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to download the PowerPoint app from the App Store. Simply open the App Store, type Microsoft PowerPoint in the search bar, and tap Get to download it. Easy, right? Once the app is installed, open it up. If you have too many apps, simply search by typing PowerPoint. Open the app. Once the app is open, you'll see a plus icon at bottom navigation. If not on Plus tab, switch to it by tapping on it. Now in Plus tab, you can choose from a variety of templates. Select one that fits your presentation style, and let's get creative. To build your presentation, tap the plus icon to add a new slide. The icon is small and located at lower bottom. To change your layout, tap the layout icon to change. It is located at lower left bottom navigation bar. Note different layouts. You can change layouts as needed. Now that you have your slides, it's time to customize them. Select any slide from bottom bar, double tap on any text box to start typing your content. Select text on the slide and notice icons to change font color and background color. To make your presentation more engaging, you can add colors to the text. Just play around with font colors and background colors. Once you're satisfied with your presentation, it's time to save and share it. Tap on the three-dot menu. It is at the upper right header. Now tap on Save and choose whether to save it on your device or in the cloud. To share your masterpiece, you need to tap Done and go back to the previous screen. Notice the share icon. To share your masterpiece, just tap the share icon and choose your preferred method. Here are some quick tips for a great presentation. Keep it simple. Remember, less is more. Use high-quality images to ensure clarity, and don't forget to practice your presentation beforehand. This will help you feel more confident when it's showtime. Thank you for watching our tutorial on creating PowerPoint presentations on your Apple mobile. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other exciting content. Happy presenting!